Since I uploaded my custom wood play button video, it's done really well compared to my other videos. Thank you. Because of that video, I've been able to reach 10 subscribers. Because of that, I thought, why not make a cardboard play button? So, here we are. I'm going to use cardboard as my material because that was what I had, and it felt right. I started by measuring the cardboard to 4.5 inches by 7.5 inches, cutting it, and then doubling it. I measured and sketched out the YouTube logo part how I wanted on one of the cardboard pieces so I could get a good 3D effect. I cut that with a razor blade and then hot glued it to the uncut cardboard. Glued the play button piece, with some red and white paint, I painted the YouTube logo and made it look the best I could. While that's drying, I'm gonna have a snack break. I love some Swedish fish. I use some tape for the more precise part. This bit is very satisfying. I printed out some stick-on labels and pressed those onto the play button. And we're done. I really enjoyed making this, and thank you for Double Digits. I put it up above my workstation to look at whenever I want. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Hopefully we'll be able to make a 100 subscriber play button eventually. But for now, here's a wood play button I made for my grandpa up in the corner. Enjoy.